Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurfadilla Abdussama. I am a student from the English Education Department, Gorontalo State University. Welcome to my video presentation where I will be discussing inflection morphemes. Today I'm excited to share with you my insights and findings on this fascinating subject. Inflectional morpheme is a morpheme that does not cause change in word class and word meaning. However, this morpheme affects the number or plurality and tenses. So this morphemification to indicate whether a word is singular or plural, whether a particular sentence is in the past or not, and whether a particular word is in comparative or possessive form. In English, inflectional is often used to show the difference between singular, plural, tenses, and possession. Following are the 8 parts of inflectional morphemes. First, as third-person singular present. For example, she waits at home. Second, ed past tense. For example, she waited at home. Third, in progressive. For example, she is eating the ice cream. Fourth, en past participle. For example, Mary has eaten the apples. Fifth, as plural. For example, she ate the donuts. Sixth, as possessive. For example, Lisa's hair is short. 7. Comparative. For example, Lisa has shorter hair than Karen. 8. EST. Superlative. For example, Lisa has the shortest hair. Here are 5 examples of using inflectional morpheme in sentence. First, plural s. For example, the cat is sleeping on the chair. Become, the cats are sleeping on the chair. Second, past tense, ed. For example, she walked to school yesterday. Become, she walked to school yesterday. Third person participle, ing. For example, he cooked dinner for his family. Become, he is cooking dinner for his family right now. Fourth, comparative, For example, she is tall, but his friend is taller. Fifth, superlative, est. For example, it is a fast car. Become, it is the fastest car in the race. Characteristic of inflectional morphemes. The first one, inflectional morphemes cannot stand alone as words. Second, have grammatical meaning. Inflectional morphemes provide information about a word's grammatical category, such as number, tense, gender, and case. Third, organized. The use of inflectional morphemes follows consistent and predictable rules. Fourth, does not change word class. Inflectional morphemes do not change the base word class. Function of inflectional morphemes. The first indicate grammatical category. Inflectional morphemes indicate the grammatical category of a word such as number, tense, gender, and case. Second, putting sentences together. Inflectional morphemes help connect words in a sentence and show grammatical relationship between them. Third, creating variety. Inflectional morphemes allow speakers to create variation of a word's forms to meet different communication needs. Inflectional morphemes are an important part of grammar that are used to change the form of a basic word without changing the basic meaning of the word. With the existence of inflectional morphemes, language can be more flexible in conveying information about the relationship between words in a sentence. Therefore, an understanding of inflectional morphemes is important in understanding the structure and appropriate use of the language in everyday communication. Here are some quizzes about inflectional morphemes. Number 1. Which inflectional morpheme is used to indicate the plural form of noun? A. In, B. At, C. As, D. Or. Number 2. The inflectional morpheme used to indicate the past tense of a verb is A. As, B. In, C. At, D. Or. Number 3. What inflectional morpheme is used to indicate an action that is currently happening? A. As, B. At, C. In, D. Or. Number 4. The inflectional morpheme used to compare two things or people is A. At, B. At, C. D. In. Number 5. Which inflectional morpheme is used to indicate the most extreme form in a comparison? A. As, B. As, C. In, D. Number 6. The word cats is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for A. Plural form, B. Past tense, C. Present participle, D. Comparison. Number 7. Walked is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for A. Plural form, B. Past tense, C. Present participle, D. Comparison. Number 8. The word reading is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for A. Plural form, B. Past tense, C. Present participle, D. Comparison. Number 9. Taller is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for A. Plural form, B. Past tense, C. Present participle, D. Comparison. Number 10. The word fastest is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for A. Plural form, B. Past tense, C. Present participle, D. Comparison. This is the answer to a quiz about inflectional. Number 1. Which inflectional morpheme is used to indicate the plural form of noun? The answer C. S. Number 2. The inflectional morpheme used to indicate the past tense of a verb is? The answer C. At. Number 3. What inflectional morpheme is used to indicate an action that is currently happening? The answer C. In. Number 4. The inflectional morpheme used to compare two things or people is? The answer C. Number 5. Which inflectional morpheme is used to indicate the most extreme form in a comparison? The answer B. S. Number 6. The word cats is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for? The answer A. Plural form. Number 7. Walked is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for? The answer B. Past tense. Number 8. The word reading is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for? The answer C. Present participle. Number 9. Taller is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for? The answer D. Comparison. Number 10. The word fastest is an example of using an inflectional morpheme for? The answer D. Comparison. These are some of the things I can say. Beforehand, I apologize profusely if in the previous delivery there might have been errors in words or some statements that offended all of you present. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.